Hi and welcome back to another lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning about what is landscape and portrait page orientation in Excel, and then we will learn how to set the page orientation to landscape or portrait in Excel. Okay, so let's have a look at today's question. The question is number 10, which is asking us to set the page orientation of the spreadsheet to landscape. Okay, let's have a look at this. So the first question, or the first part we are going to learn about it, is what is exactly portrait and landscape orientation? What does that mean? So first of all, these two words, portrait and landscape, they are English words and they are actually what they say to be. For example, something being a portrait orientation is almost identical or the same as you having a picture taken of yourself, which is what we call a portrait of yourself. So for example, that picture would be tall and narrow, like a passport photograph. Does that make sense? I think you're following me. Okay, great stuff. The other orientation in this scenario is called landscape orientation. Well, guess what? If you were traveling to some beautiful scenery places, then when you take your camera out or your phone out and you take a lovely picture, we say, what a beautiful landscape. So you take the photograph in a more of a wider shot, a wider angle. So this is why we call this a landscape photograph. Now similarly, this understanding is very important because this will allow you to understand these options in Excel for your orientation and to set it to portrait or landscape. Now by default, the orientation in Excel is set to portrait orientation. So if I was to do a quick print preview on this, it should give me the print preview to look like a tall and narrower shot. Let's have a look. Just going to take you into the print preview mode. So this is what it looks like. So you can see it's tall and it's narrower, just like a portrait would be. So this could be your picture here. This is why we call this the portrait orientation. That's all it means. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to show you, because the question is asking us to change the page orientation to landscape. So we need to change it from portrait to landscape. How do we do this? That was the second part of the question, is how do we carry out this? So I'm going to show you. We click on the page layout ribbon, and then you can see directly underneath in the page setup group, you've got the option for orientation. You can see from the two little icons here is actually representing what the two orientation are going to be. So the first one there is your portrait and the second one here is your landscape. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. So you can see by default this is selected, and if I want to change it to landscape orientation, I simply click on landscape and it's done it. It doesn't really give you an indication, but it has done it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on print preview again just to show you that it has worked. There we go. So there's our landscape orientation now. So just like a lovely photograph of the landscape you would have taken, it would have been wider. So this is where these terminologies come from. Nothing fancy. It just needs breaking down for you so it's easy to understand. So I hope you've understood how to change your page orientation from portrait to landscape, or vice versa. If something was landscape, you can change it to portrait orientation, again going to the same option and selecting portrait. So that's the end of this little lesson. I hope you've understood. If you do have any questions, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section and I will get back to you. And on that note, I'm going to leave you. So please make sure you like and share. That does help me out, and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you over in the next lesson. Take care until then. Bye.